Don wanted to multiply by 25, but divided by 25 by mistake. His answer was 12. What should his answer have been? Now this is a rather tricky question, but I'm sure you can see that the answer is to work backwards. First, we start with his answer. His answer was 12. How did he got this? He divided by 25. What was he dividing by 25? We don't know, so we'll just call that x. We know that x divided by 25 actually gave him 12. But Don wanted to multiply by 25. So what we want to know is x times 25 equals what? So let's first start by finding x. To do so, we need to multiply both sides of this first equation by 25. Doing that will mean that this 25 cancels out with the divided 25, and we're only left with x is equal to 12 times 25. Okay, let's do that on the side here to find what 12 times 25 is equal to. 12 times 25, 5 times 2. 5 times 2 obviously is 10. Carry over the 1. 5 times 1 is 1. Add the 1, you just get the 2. Add a 0 as we do the tens digit. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. I hit the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 300. So x is equal to 300. Now what was the question asking? The question is asking that Don wants to multiply by 25, so what should his answer be? So, in other words, they're asking us, what's 300 times 25, since we know that x is 300? Well, to do this, we'll do another little algorithm on the side. 325. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0, again 0. But then 5 times 3 is 15. Now 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0, again 0. And we also had that 1 0 that we added because this is the tens digit. Now 2 times 2 is 6. This all adds up to 7,500. So our answer should be D, 7,500.